Do you need help with COVID management for your dental office? We thought so. Going back to work after COVID is not that simple. COVID-19 dental office preparedness checklists must include employee training and COVID certification, bioaerosol management, PPE updates on N95, KN95 or equivalent respirators, infection control updates, and required written COVID protocols, plans, and forms. Are you ready? Are you really ready? Do you want reliable help to mitigate your risk? Rely on our mindfully designed COVID Complete Compliance Package, which includes everything you'll need to get your office comprehensively COVID compliant. Our kit includes all of the current requirements. A 30-minute COVID management employee training video link, which includes one continuing education unit that will be required for your dental license renewal.